What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just in case you guys are new here, you don't know who I am, I'm KP. That's my RSX, and today the RSX goes full race car. So let's get today's video started, y'all.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that Barbie. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
Alright, guys, so I got the homie Kev here. We're gonna be hammering out this harness bar that I picked up locally, and then we got the Sparco harnesses to go with it. This is gonna be a sick video, guys. Kev, you think we got this?
I hope so.
Jeez. So I believe the harness bar will go on like the ends here.
Oh, okay.
And there.
How long is that? Whole thing comes off.
God damn it, Kev.
Oh, it's spinning. There you go.
A little update for all. We got the top bolt in. We're going to be removing the bottom piece just so that we can play with the bar. Alright, guys, little update on the mods, guys. So we got the passenger side in, as you guys can see here. Bar is solid. We even have the harness and the seatbelt all attached right over here. So we didn't show it because we wanted to mock it up and see, you know, we could do it right beforehand. My boy Kev's here doing the other side right now. Yeah, guys, we're almost there. Jeez. What is up, guys? So this is a new day. Unfortunately, we weren't able to finish installing the harnesses. We did finish the harness bar, but we weren't able to finish the harnesses. We were defeated by a bolt. So your boy had to go pick up some bolts at the bolt store. And we're hoping that this is the final thing we need to get the harnesses in. Let's finish this, guys. Alright, guys, so we're going to start by removing the center console. The shift knob comes off. This guy comes off. Then you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and take off 2 screws scrapes here.
Yes. Try to open this guy's door, but he has no handle. Cause it's a coupe. See what happens when you're used to 4 doors?
So we got the original OEM stock bolt, and this is what we're going to be replacing it with, seeing as how it has more threads. If this doesn't work, I do have one that's longer. So feed your bolt through. Alright.
I want to send a special thanks to Sparco for actually sponsoring us. This is like a big come up to actually have a sponsor on the channel. So if you guys need any products, please check out Sparco.
Alright guys, so next you're going to take your harness, feed it through your seats, going through here, go over the bar. Alright guys, so I did these two on the driver's side just to figure out how to tie it to the bar. And this is what I came up with. This is the excess we got here. I'll show you guys what to do with this afterwards, but in the meantime, let me show you guys how to do the passenger side. Alright guys, so now you got your bar, harness. We're gonna feed it through here. We're gonna feed it back down. Get that. Bring it up to the bar. So you want this piece behind the bar. You're gonna take your strap, the other end, go under, and then over. So up and then down. Now as you can see, it is looped onto the bar. Tug the excess through, then you take this and you're gonna go back. On the inside, like that. Bam! That's it. You got one in. Let's do the other one again. Take your strap. You're gonna feed it through. Then you're gonna go back into it. You got that. Now, you're gonna go over the bar into here. Bam. Then you're gonna go back inside here. The excess. Bam. Next, you're gonna go back in. Pull this through. Pull it through. that's it. You got your 2 harnesses onto the bar. So unfortunately, I forgot to film what I did with the excess harness straps, but thankfully, it's not rocket science. All I did was rolled it up, then I took a zip tie and fed it through, then zip tied it together tightly so it doesn't roll apart. And this is how I've been running it so far. There have been no issues. The harnesses have been great and the harness bar has stayed in place. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to film an outro. So this will be the end of today's video. Big shout out to the homie Kev for helping me with this install. And if you stayed till the end, thank you guys. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.